Okay, we're going to look at a couple of different ways of adding decimals. I'm going to start by saying that if you have any doubt about adding 2 or 3 decimal numbers together, please use column addition. Okay, it's something you're familiar with, you practice a lot, and it is the method that will get you right every time, hopefully. However, there are a couple of other methods that are worth looking at because they are sometimes way quicker than column addition. Okay, the first one we're going to look at is rounding. So if you have two numbers like this that are very, very close, so 32.99 and 25.99, it's very common if you're out shopping. You'll often find that people selling you things will price things like this with 99 or 95 at the end. So this is very close to £33. Okay, so we could see this as £33 or 33 plus 26, because 25.99 is very close to 26. So if we add, so we've rounded each number up, in this case by 0.01 or maybe 1 penny. So we could add that and it would make 59. So 33 plus 26 equals 59. But we would have to take off the two little things we rounded up. So if it was money, we'd have to take off 2 pence. So the answer would not be 59, it would be 58.98. Okay, and if it was money, we would see that as £58.98p, like that. And adding by rounding is very common. You can do it the other way. If it was just over a number, so £26.01p, you could round it, but you would take 1 penny off the answer. Okay, so rounding is definitely one way of taking on and adding a decimal addition problem, but you have to evaluate the numbers carefully beforehand. So can I deal with this number in a different way from column addition? And can I deal with this number in a different way from column addition? You need to evaluate the numbers, and if you can do it in your head by doing something like this, rounding, then it's worth doing because it's usually quicker. This one is a little different. So here we're assessing these two numbers. Normally we might say go to column addition for this, but if you look carefully, if we partition these out, that is, we sort of break them down, we could go 18 plus 6 is 24, and 0.81 plus 0.08 we can do without any carrying or anything else. So in your head you may find you're able to do 18 plus 6 is 24. So the partitioning bit of it would look something like this. So it's 6 plus 18 is 24. And this 0.08 plus 0.81, you should maybe see, is 0.89. So the answer here would be 24.89. And that again, we didn't need to do the column addition because we spotted that we could add the 6 and the 18 together pretty easily, mentally. We could add the 8 tenths to the 0 tenths pretty easily. And perhaps more importantly, we could add the 8 hundredths to the 100th without doing anything particularly difficult. I'm going to say once again that if you have any doubts about any of this, and you risk going wrong, please use column addition. But if you're confident that you can do it mentally, you might want to use one of these two ways of doing it.